Liquid molten plastic being pushed through injection molding or extrusion machine. Slow motion shot of plastic flowing into metal molds or shape. Metal molds closing tightly as molten plastic takes final shape. Close-up of mold edges sealing, subtle steam and vibration.
Plastic items moving along a cooling conveyor belt. Cooling fans blowing air over products. Plastic items slowly hardening and becoming solid.
Automatic cutting machine trimming excess plastic from finished products. Close-up of sharp blades cutting clean edges. Plastic products stacked neatly and packed into boxes. Boxes sealed and placed on pallets.
For further information, please like and subscribe.